Ready?
You want to throw it?
Get ready.
Here goes the football.
It's up in the air.
Chicken football. Who's got the ball? Okay.
Oh, she's going with it. Oh.
You might have a touchdown.
Did you eat it?
Go get it. Go get it.
She must have ate it. They stopped chasing her.
Chicken chickies. All right. Third quarter. Here's the last one. Chickies.
Go.
Here's the ball. See, this is the ball. They're coming for it. What'd you guys give up for? What'd you give up for? Why'd you give up? Why didn't you chase her?
Losing team. Is she still eating it?
Why didn't you chase her after that football?